Guys, this is simply amazing. In this video, I'm sharing with you two incredible secret websites that literally gives away money and a ton of other goodies for free, and you simply don't want to miss out, because one of these websites that I will share with you literally update their giveaways hourly, and you simply cannot miss out. So if this sounds fascinating to you, you want to stick around and watch the entire of this video so that you can learn what secret websites they are and simply how you can register and sign up so that you can claim these amazing giveaways. And on top of that, in my next video release, I'll be giving away a very enticing giveaway, so you simply cannot miss out. With that said, guys, before I jump into start showing you this website, go ahead, hit the subscribe button below if you're new to the channel, and give this video a like, and let's jump in. Alright guys, so the first website on the list here is giveawaylisting.com, and you can immediately see that they're offering giveaways for January 2024 with the latest ones available today when I'm filming this video. So you can see right there that these are the latest giveaways. And what's exciting about this website, guys, is that they offer international giveaway listings. So it doesn't matter where you are around the world, you can literally participate in these giveaways. And I'll be showing you the list in a moment. And if you should win this $1,000 gift card, you can utilize this anywhere where they accept Amazon gift card. So that's simply amazing. Now guys, here are other top giveaways for today, guys. Look at this. You can see that they're offering return flights anywhere from Asia to Australia or even New Zealand for you and 3 of your other friends. How amazing is that? And if you're currently living in Germany or anywhere close to Germany, you have a chance to go to Borussia Dortmund football match if you should win this giveaway. So if you would like to go to one of these matches, guys, go ahead and participate in this gift card, because you'll be able to have a chance to win this giveaway. Wow, that's simply amazing. Look at some of the other ones. So you can come here and you can check out these other giveaway listing as you wish. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of guides that you can find on this website. So quite a lot of giveaways you can participate in. Simply amazing. You want to definitely come here and check out this website. So this is really amazing stuff. So guys, so let's have a look at the international giveaway listing, right? So if I click on this, you can see here that they're mentioning that in the year of 2023, over 200 top giveaways was done. That is simply amazing, right? And if we have a look at the listing here, you can see the dates when they're ending, so you can know which one you have time to participate in. So it is pretty exciting to know that you have a lot of time to participate in these listings. And you can see right here that they offer quite a lot of them worldwide. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can participate. There are a few of them with restrictions, and there are some of them are only restricted to the United States only. But of course, you participate in the ones that are available to you, and you can see what are the different giveaways, right? If you look at this one here, they're offering an iPad 9th generation giveaway, right? From Hearts and Hand Grain. So, and this is worldwide. So guys, you can literally participate in multiple of these giveaways to increase your chances. For me, this is really incredible and simple exciting, and I really hope that we share the same enthusiasm for these giveaways. So guys, the next website that we want to check out is Alienwear Arena.com, right? So you simply want to go to this website and you want to go to the giveaway listing. So once you're at the giveaway listings, guys, you can see immediately what they're currently giveaway. I must say that this website caters to mostly gamers, but there are times when they're offering money in terms of gift cards, and they also offer equipments or devices such as computers, computer parts, etc., monitors, all these different kind of goodies, right? And right now you can see that they're offering an exclusive for Metaball, and currently there are over 1,636 keys left. And on this giveaway, as you can see, that in order to participate, you have to create an account on Alienwear website. So all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click this head icon here, and you can just simply go ahead and create an account right here. Now once you create your account, all you have to do is click get the key as the step number 2. So just click get key, and then you need to download Metaball on Steam. Now once you download Metaball on Steam, I'm going to show you how you go about doing that. You will basically click on the button there to go to Steam website, and you have to go ahead and install Steam and log in to Steam and download your Metaball. Right now, once you go ahead and download the Metaball, all you have to do, as they mentioned, just go ahead and press escape while you're in the game, and then you want to go to your settings, then services, and enter the code that you will get here. It's as easy as that. And as I said, there are times when they offer other values, not only games, but they're offering devices, gift cards, and so much more. So this is an incredible secret website that you can use to find giveaways online. And here you have it, guys. These are the 2 websites that you can literally check out right now to get free giveaways, right? Now I'll be sharing the links within the description of this video so you can easily find these websites. So you can go ahead right now and check out those exciting giveaways and register so that you can claim some of these exciting goodies. With that said, see you next time.